I'm the realtor, Eric Corder. I'm here at 1024 Ann Street in Parkersburg, West Virginia, in Juliana-Square Historic District. While there are 1,000 things I like about this house, today I'm going to give you 5 things I love about this house. The first thing, and not the best thing, but the first thing I'm going to show you is the front door. Sounds boring, right? It is very much not boring. Let me show you a few things I love about this door. First thing is, look at these leaded glass beveled windows. Unbelievable. Remember, this house is from 1886. This house is so old that Grover Cleveland was president. This house is so old it was built before the invention of the automobile, before the invention of motorcycles, the airplane, the radio. And for you millennials and Gen Zers out there, it was built even before social media. The front door has absolutely amazing hardware. Look at that doorknob. You don't see that at the Home Depot. This front door has the original mail slot and a super sweet old doorbell. And look, a historic district walking tour brochure with this house featured in it. And both of these doors actually open for your convenience. Number 2, the building itself. The artistry, and more importantly, the craftsmanship that went into building this particular home is truly unbelievable. Think about artisans and craftsmen from all over the world in the late 19th century building these homes in Juliana-Square. This house was built by individuals 7 or 8 generations ago. Nearly 140 years this house has survived. What else is that old and is in this good a shape? I'm 52. And I'm not nearly in as good a shape as this house is. That's a terrible analogy. I suspect that if you were to put a laser level on this line here, that it would be perfectly straight, perfectly plumb, perfectly true. That's a feat of engineering. The home sits on a series of sandstone blocks. They're massive. And not only are they straight and level and true, just like the day they were placed, they're beautiful to look at. The third thing I love about this home is the electrical system. This home's electric system has been upgraded 100% completely in recent years to modern standards. It has a modern panel and all modern wiring. And any 3-prong outlet you see in this home is an actual grounded 3-prong outlet. The modern electrical system in this home is going to make you feel safe and comfortable in this home. The fourth thing I love about this home is the hardwood floors. The floors in this home are truly something to see. They are original oak, from the family parlor to the formal parlor to the social parlor to the dining room. And yes, this house has all of those rooms. These floors have been perfectly maintained. They are a part of the time capsule that makes up this beautiful home. Fifth and final thing I love about this home is the kitchen. Not quite sure to say about the kitchen other than holy cow. This is an amazing kitchen. Almost too stunning for words, but let me show you just a few things that make this kitchen truly unbelievable. These honed granite countertops are both elegant and functional. This amazing glass tile backsplash really adds something special. Who doesn't love soft closed drawers? And doors. All stainless steel appliances. While this is a new engineered hardwood floor, they did a great job matching the color scheme of both the original woodwork, the original floors, and these original stunning built-ins. This beautiful coffered beam ceiling does a great job at tying in the next room over, which was probably the original dining room. And these are just 5 of the things I really love about 1024 Ann Street in Parkersburg. There's 1,000 things I love here. 5 is probably good for now. Stay tuned, maybe I'll do 5 more next week. Oh wait, this house will probably be under contract next week. Never mind.